Hi, it's Tina again. Finally, I feel better today. I spent all day yesterday feeling a little sick after our super meat garlic challenge. Everyone else felt fine, but apparently raw garlic and I are not good friends. But I'm feeling better today, so that's good, and I'm still glad that I did it. It was worth it. I'd like to share a video today of our Sunday with Papa, and we have some really cool video of us at the beach, big waves, and little Nino is a little champion. A couple times I couldn't find him after he wiped out. And then there's one point where I see this poor guy watching and he just wants to grab Nino so bad and help him. But he held his own and he did really good in the big waves. So we had a lot of fun and we'd like to share it with you guys. I also wanted to mention before I go that today is the first day of the trial for Anita, a woman named Anita, and I'm going to spell her last name because I don't know how to pronounce it. K-R-A-J-N-C, and she is the founder of Toronto Pig Save. And what this organization does is they bear witness to the pigs who are en route from wherever they were raised to the slaughterhouse. These pigs can be in these hot, crowded trucks for up to 36 hours legally, given no food or water. And what Anita did to be charged with criminal behavior is she stands on the side of the street and she gives water to the pigs through the little holes in the metal when the trucks stop at red lights on their way to the slaughterhouse. Can't not have empathy for them because we know what being thirsty feels like. So if you are interested, go to their website or their Facebook page at Toronto Pig Save, and you can show support for Anita and for the organization. I think that us being aware of how horrible the lives are of other creatures does make us sad, but it also makes us appreciate so much more what we do have. The sun, feeling the water, being in the sand, being able to be with family. These are all things we take away from animals, and we just appreciate it that much more because we know how many are denied that, basic right of life that nature has given. Some of the wild beaches.
Yeah, good. No white. And can I tell you?
Tell
One
me.
time we saw a bunny.
Where?
At a mud place. We found it at somewhere with these boats that you could walk. With these stuff that you could. With these boats that you find made out of sticks. and you paddle with a stick. You need to have a partner. And Mama was on it, and I was your partner. And then you dig the stick in the mud, and you do it, and it was a mud slide. That where we saw the bunny. Bye.
Do you think you're Stampy Longnose saying bye like that on your video?
Bye. Wait, and good luck, and bye. Mommy,
how was the water?
Great.
Was it fun?
Yeah. Okay. Peanut butter sandwich.
Peanut butter sandwich.
Mommy, look at this one Papa always do with his foot when he's digging for sand.
Yeah, you're right.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Look.
Oh, very yummy. Ryu and Ronan now, when they're done on the videos, are doing the Stampy Longnose thing. They're saying, goodbye.
And I said, so I'm digging for shells, and goodbye. And sadly, the video's over. Bye.
Yeah, that's what he says. What is your brother doing? What the heck are you doing, Nino? Don't get all that sand in your face.
What in the world is he doing?
What's your favorite part about coming to the beach with Papa?
Swimming.
Yeah.
Swim.
Put it in there. Let's bring it to the trash. Let's go. Good job, guys. Where's the trash can? All right. What did you find, Nino? Plastic can. Good boy you are. Put your mouth on the side of that. Get the trash out of your bucket. Careful pulling them out. Yeah, throw it in the water. Oh my gosh, it's really heavy in the forest.
stuff.
What are those?
This stuff. I forgot what that's called. Lentils and whatever that is. Quinoa.
Thank you, Ronan.
And carrots and broccoli and avocado.
And how is it?
It's great. Don't you make?
What are you going to put inside of it?
Carrot and cauliflower and broccoli and tomato and that's the way they kill it.
Yes.
And the beans.
Lentils.
And lentils and quinoa.
And how is it?
I think it can be good.
Good.
Cauliflower, broccoli, and something that I haven't made.
Okay. Okay, so I was just having dinner with the kids, and I wanted to add something about the trial in Canada. We were talking about it, and I wanted to mention to other parents that I think it's really important to talk to the kids about what's going on in Canada and with this trial. I don't think parents realize the tremendous power that we have. The future is in our hands, and if we care about creating a compassionate and just society, then we need to give our children, we need to trust our children with the truth and let them know what's going on. We need to empower them with challenges and let them know that they can make a better world. I wanted to share a quote that I thought was very pertinent from one of my favorite authors who wrote Weapons of Mass Instruction, John Taylor Gatto. He writes about he inspired me to homeschool, and I think that his books are incredibly important for everyone to read, whether you have kids or not. Kind of will explain to you how you got screwed up. So he writes, "Nothing is more interesting to young children than evil, cruelty, and malice. They are cognizant of these things before they can speak with any fluency. The hypocrisy of sweet animal tales and images in a culture which murders animals wholesale and eats them with lip-smacking gusto is lost on most desensitized adults, but almost never lost on their children." So basically what he's saying is that we are teaching hypocrisy to our children by feeding them the dead bodies of animals and telling them to be good to our dog, or watching Disney movies and continuing to destroy the homes of animals or poison them or anything else that we do that harms animals. So I want to challenge you to challenge your children and give them the gift of trusting them with what's going on in the world. And I think that if we have higher standards for our children, they will live up to them and they will create a better future. Okay, well, I don't know about these guys, but hopefully yours will.
Bye-bye. Bye and feel